Today I'll be showing a very simple activity using the Raspberry Pi Pico, and I'll be using the Raspberry Pico to control an LED using buttons, and I'll be programming it with the Tony IDE. So on the left here, you can actually see the GPIO pin diagram for the Raspberry Pi Pico, and on the right hand is the Tony IDE that I'll be using. So before you actually proceed with the simple activity, I'll just want to show you the connection that I set up. So this is the pin connection. So this is the pin connection arranged. The button is connected to GP14 and the LED is connected to GP28. The resistors I'm actually using for the LED is a small 220 ohm, while the button is connected with a 1000 ohm resistor. So if you follow the connection as shown in my video, you should be able to achieve all the programs that I've set out for this video. Okay, so now let me just go back to my screen. Okay, so the first code I'll be doing, or the first activity I'll be doing today would be a very simple toggle of an LED. So the first two lines are just the modules that will be needed. So we'll just be using the pin and the sleep modules. Then we set the LED to pin 28, and it will be set to pin up. So for line 5, we already set the LED to low. And while the loop is running, the LED will be toggled and it will print a toggle message right here in the shell, and it will sleep for 1 second. So let me just run this and you shall see how it works. Now the LED is blinking, and in the shell, you can see that it's being printed toggled whenever it comes on and off. Right. So now moving on to the next activity. Now I'm gonna make the LED increase and decrease in brightness. I've also used the same thing. I import pin and the pulse width modulation. I also import the sleep and set the LED to pin 28, the pulse width modulation to its LED pin, and the frequency to 1000. So for this simple while loop, it's just to increase the brightness within its range, and then go to sleep before decreasing it. So let's just see the example. Let me just bring some light over. There you go. So you can use this code to control your LEDs if you want to cycle between bright to dark. Okay. So lastly, the last activity I have is to actually control the LED using a toggle function with the button. Similar to the first activity, I imported the pin and imported sleep because technically we don't really need sleep. So let me just remove this here. So I set the LED to pin 28 and it will be the output, where I set the push button to pin 14 and it will be the input. So the simple while loop would be, while it's true, the logic state will be based on the push button value. So by default, the push button value will be 0. So only if the logic state is set to 1, it will be true, the LED will be 1. If the logic state is not pressed, it will be 0, and the LED will be set to 0. So let's run this code. So as you can see, the LED is not bright enough. Now if I press the button, LED is on. If I let go, LED is off. When I press again, it's on. Then I let it go, it's off. So these are a few examples that you can do with the Raspberry Pi Pico. Yep, so that's the end of the Raspberry Pi Pico activity. I hope you have learned something new. until then, I'll see you again next time.